They say a good life is made of a thousand small moments. The gentle purr of a cat, the sizzle of a Sunday morning breakfast, the quiet peace of a walk in the park. For me, these aren't just moments, they are the building blocks of the joyful life. This week, I want to invite you into my world to share the simple rituals that makes my heart feel full. Come on in, let's make some memories together. Some mornings, the universe reminds you to slow down, to breathe, to simply be. And for me, that reminder often comes in the form of fairy chaos. Right after I have meticulously crafted my morning sanctuary, my bed, the one place where order reigns. If only for a moment before this little mistress of mischief takes center stage. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I believe it. But it's more than just fuel. It's a promise to myself, a promise to nourish, to create, to start with intention. Oatmeal, Greek yogurt, and egg, simple ingredients transformed into something warm, comforting, and full of goodness. It's my way of saying, hello, beautiful day, I am ready for you. There is a magic in the early morning light before the world truly awakens. A quiet hum, a gentle breath. My walk in the park are more than just exercise. There is a communion with the whisper of the wind, the rustle of the leaves, and the ancient wisdom of the geese, diligently searching for their breakfast. It reminds me that even on days when the sun isn't fully shining, there is always beauty to be found if you only open your eyes and hearts. Nourishing my body is an act of self love, and it starts here, in my kitchen. A small intentional grocery haul for the week. Rotis, cheese, that essential Greek yogurt, the creamy avocado, each item chosen not just for its taste, but for the energy it brings. It's about building a foundation, not just for meals, but for a life lived with vibrancy. Lunch often gets overlooked, rushed, but for me, it's another chance to pause, to create something simple yet deeply satisfying. Eggs, the creamy avocado, vibrant spinach, a symphony of flavor and textures, nestled between two slices of bread. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be mindful. My home is more than just four walls. It's my sanctuary, my breathing space, and these green guardians, my indoor plants, are the very breath of it. Each one a tiny ecosystem, a reminder of growth, resilience, and the quiet beauty of nature. Right here within my walls, arranging them, tending to them, it's a form of meditation, a dance with life itself. And then there are the silent companions, a new light, a glimmer of blue in my home, my betta fish. Watching him glide, a living jewel in his watery world, brings a different kind of peace, a quiet presence that reminds me of the beauty in stillness, the simple elegance of life in all its forms. Another soul entrusted to my care, another heartbeat in my happy home. Sundays, they are different. They carry the weight of memory, the warmth of tradition. And for me, that tradition is woven into the aroma of my mother's beef curry. The spices, the potatoes, the tender beef. Each step is a whisper of her presence, a culinary embrace that transcends time and distance. It's more than just a meal, it's a legacy, a way to keep her love, her story alive in my kitchen, in my heart. That is my Sunday. This journey, these moments, they are not grand gestures, but quiet affirmation of nourishment, of nature, of love, both given and received. A week of whisper and warmth, charting my course toward a life that feels truly mine, a joyful life, and it all begins and continues with this simple, beautiful act. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.